So today we are going to present you our smart electrical solution for telecommunication tower. Why we specially design these solutions, it is because the power management is always the biggest headache for the tower companies. Especially the 5G comes, the power consumption is more and more serious. That's why we are cooperating with the China Tower to design this specially system to solve these problems. And we are going to show you in a real case that what we are doing with the China Tower to solve this system. So basically, the biggest headache for the tower company, it is the operator electrician always randomly varying the load as what they want, and some of the time these loads are not metered, so it makes a big loss for the tower companies. So this whole system, all the breakers, reclosers, and all these sets, they are 48 volts DC power supplied, and working for 48 volts DC for the low voltage. So you will see now we have 3 units. This is for China Mobile, this is for China Union, this is for the China Telecom. Okay, so each of them we have the 48 volts DC power supply and working operation voltage. Meanwhile, we have the RS-485 communication for each of them. So now we are going to show before so basically, before we send this one to China to the tower panels, electrical panels, you will see all these breakers, they are locked. Okay, whatever strength you are putting, it doesn't work. Very strong, very tough. So this will forbid the operator electrician randomly connect wiring or something. Okay, so how it works? Only after it's installed on the electrical panels, the whole devices will connect to the China Tower CRM and the PMS system. And in this system, you need to apply the task. For example, tomorrow morning from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. where China Mobile electrician need to do operation, to do some maintenance for these breakers, maybe this one, none. So connect some new load devices, and China Tower's internal system will authorize these 2 hours to switch on, switch off. Okay, so only receive this application, they are going to remotely unlock. Okay, unlock. Now this is 8. Now this is 9. So unlock this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now it's unlocked. You are able to switch on manually. However, China Tower, they prefer that the operator without touch manually the breakers, without any touch. Everything is under control. In this case, so we firstly lock it, and we also offer another solution to unlock and automatically switch on without manually operate. So whenever it's operated, we have the feedback control successfully. So this means the feedback is already done. So now it's locked and unlock and auto switch. So you see, when we command it, very fast switch on, very simple, easy. And then after it's delivered, there are 2 ways to do. One is the electrical fault. For example, sometimes the breaker will protect the lines for the overload and short circuit. It will trip. And after it is tripped, we design it for 10 seconds auto reclose for once, and then okay, so waiting for 10 seconds it will auto reclose. This flashing means auto reclose, and then after the auto reclose, it will take 30 seconds. If it will not trip again, now start to count, flashing, 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 waiting for 30 seconds, it will reset. If it's a trip again, it will be locked. Trip again. Okay, now it's locked. It's locked. Only remotely unlock or remotely operation it can be done. This is for the electrical fault. And another way is the site. The China Union electrician, they want to have a new mode, new electric appliance to connect to these lines to get the power supplied. So what they are going to do is to firstly, this is on the on mode. Okay, this is on mode. On mode. So they need to switch to the maintenance mode. It will trip. Okay, so when they switch to the maintenance mode, it will trip, and you get feedback on the system that it's already tripped because of the maintenance mode. They can recognize it is maintenance mode, and then they can do. However, when it is in maintenance mode, it's locked. It's locked. So when the maintenance is done, finished, and then we need to switch back to the remote mode, and then inform the China Tower to unlock this device, and then auto reclose. Okay, now it's unlocked and auto reclose. Okay, so this is a very good way to know all this, everything, all this electrical power is under control for the metering and everything. So we have also, this is the pending solutions. All this, they are wireless communicated through the 4G, but in the real applications, they are in the system integrated. And for the pending, we will also further improve the power consumption of each breakers to detect the power consumption, the voltage, the current, the temperature, and the pre-alarm, and all these things we can output here. You see output. Whatever operation here, it's recorded the time and what is the operation and how is the result, who is doing this. So everything is under control. It's a perfect solution for telecommunication tower. Thank you.